Light your motherfucking blunts up. You already know. This is the show with your host, MK Specs. Let's get it.
What's good? Nature Boy has been locked up abroad again. And his followers, as we see Velvet. Give us some change to free our master teacher. Sonata. She's crying out. Just like Captain Whitney, Tawana Allen, was crying out, Sonata. I got Saw nigga information, his picture, his phone numbers. Sonata. Melanation. Carbonation. Chief has been locked up. Their master teacher, right, is locked up abroad, and they need your help. Now, you know what's so funny about this shit? When master teacher say, oh, you stuck in Babylon, now he needs Babylon bucks to bail his Babylon ass out. Don't make no sense. Velvet, they bumming. They want you to pass the collection plate. But I know what y'all need to do. You don't need to pass the collection plate at all. I got the remedy. For carbonation, to scrape up this money, right? Y'all need to do some shit on Pornhub. Because we already done seen some shit on Pornhub. What Nature Boy had one hot dog on a stick, and he had one female mouth right here, and he had velvet mouth right here. I mean, that'd get a whole lot of clicks and shit. And the clicks are money, right? You could put it in the nappy coochie, funky coochie hair section and shit, you know what I'm saying? When we kick it Afro-mystics, you know, right? You live in natural, we live in funky and shit, right? Funky monkey, right? Monkey, right? They could get y'all some bread, quick, fast, in a hurry, so you can free your master teacher. Pornhub. Tell them in case it's you. Now let's start with the motherfucking show, goddammit.
Now, I know I got Velvet and Ileana names mixed the fuck up. I didn't feel like editing that shit, but y'all understand what the fuck I'm talking about and shit. Blame it on the motherfucking weed. Let's get it, goddammit. Come on, Rooster. Tonight, oh shit, we got Saw Nigga TV Strikes Back versus Lacquer Black M. Yeah, versus the Demon. And now we letting our nuts hang. Ooh, shit. If you been following this shit right here, it's full retarded. But let's get it, alright? Let's get it. She talking a lot of shit. She got some shit on her lip. Captain Whitney.
Is that crack she blazing? She got an infatuation with conscious speculation. Captain Whitney. Whitney steps on nigga straight in his bag. Must have been the heroin or the crack. She be claiming that she cold black. Captain Whitney.
Damn.
Captain motherfucking Whitney. It's here for hire.
Ooh, MK. That smell like some good ass weed. But you know I smoke crack, baby.
Bye, Felicia.
Oh, the demon just won't stop. She won't stop. So, nigga, teach her a lesson.
I just find
Let's
it hard to
begin.
believe.
Right
You
here.
was making some wild shit like that about me.
Once some niggas get their ass tapped and start tapping some ass, that's all what the fuck they want. They don't even want a fucking woman no more. What are you talking about?
No, so what the fuck
Kind
you
of
was
fuck,
doing?
I don't make no sense.
So what the fuck was you doing with the gay niggas then?
Under the impression that they was a straight fucking man, that's why.
And
Because
you
they
was
can't live in
that
society.
that you fell for 3 times.
I guess so. If niggas would stop hiding what the fuck they doing and stop
Look,
looking
man.
all at the masculine shit, then the motherfucker would know what's going on. The
Look,
fuck?
man. Look, man.
And
You
like I said, when a
don't have to
motherfucker,
get mad at
when a motherfucker get comfortable with you, the shit starts to show. So, and you know that. That's probably what's happened to you all your life. And instead of dealing with yourself, you blame other people, and that shit ain't cool.
Look.
Because I didn't get into this for that.
Look. There's only one motherfucker on this phone who's been engaged in homosexual activity, and that's you. So for you to run off and try to blame other motherfuckers and every nigga you get into it with is gay, you got some motherfucking issues. I'm sorry. You got some motherfucking issues. You gotta stop using that shit as a defense. You gotta stop that shit.
For what? A defense for what?
Because
what am I
motherfuckers know the fucked up shit you do.
What is the fucked up shit I do?
One, you need to get some psychological help. I'm serious. You bipolar or something, or you own drugs that you're not admitting. It's one of the two.
You don't think you need help too?
Yeah. For fucking with you. Yeah, you goddamn right. I'll admit that.
Yeah. I'm bringing you into reality because you just fucking with dumb motherfuckers that kept you in the dark with your own dark.
No.
That's why you like to cut off the lights and shit. So, yeah, man, look, I didn't stand it. That's why you want me close to you, because you know I know what the fuck I'm talking about. I don't know if you're trying to kill me. I don't know if you want to kill me or what. So that's why I'm like, man, look,
I was the motherfucker who said, go your own way, I go my way. What the fuck are you talking about? If I wanted to be close to you when I was down there today, I'd have been calling your ass. Look, I'm down here. Look, I'm down. Did I call you today? Did I? No. I sat right in that Walmart parking lot in Texas City for I don't know how long. Did I call you? No. Because you was on the bullshit. Hey, listen, I'm not trying to be nothing to you, man. You the one leaving these goddamn messages on my shit, trying to imply that you got something, or I gave you something, or some shit. Now you implying something that you might be pregnant. I don't know what's happening. All I do know is you got some issues. You can't get, every time something don't work out with you in a dude, you can't accuse them of being gay. That's not cool. Because you're going to run into the wrong motherfucker who ain't going to let that shit slide, and you're going to fuck you up one day. So you need to be careful about doing that shit. You need to get you some mental help.
Are you threatening me?
No. Didn't you hear me say you going to run into the wrong motherfucker one day?
For one.
You need to get you some mental help.
I'm not accusing everyone.
Listen.
Two, there has to be some type of logical explanation for all the instances.
Every time I'm talking.
All the instances come on now, man.
There is no goddamn instance. Two, you need to get you some mental help. Three, you need to just chill, get you a plan together to get your life on track.
You don't think you need some help for your sexual addiction?
No. I don't need no help.
Obviously,
I was a freak, but I'm not promiscuous. I can't say the same for you.
You keep saying that.
I can't say the same for you.
You keep saying that. You keep saying that for a reason.
Because that's what I am. I don't have shit to hide.
Fuck you mean? Ain't nobody stuck they dick in me at, man, shut the fuck up. Fuck you mean? Ain't nobody stuck they dick in me at, man, shut the fuck up.
Fuck you mean? Ain't nobody stuck they dick in me at, man, shut the fuck up.
You sound so motherfucking stupid. What bitch gonna go around fucking everybody? Nigga, I'm almost 40 fucking 2 years old. Fuck is wrong with you? I don't like dick like that. I don't like dick like that. I don't like dick like that.
Apparently you don't like dick at all. And you need to watch your mouth. I ain't disrespecting people. But if you want to take it there, yeah, I can take it there with you.
That's my dog.
Stretched up the broad background music. Bring in Captain Witness theme song.
Captain Whitney is that crack she blazing. She got an infatuation with conscious speculation. Captain Whitney. Whitney steps on niggas straight in his bag. Must have been the heroin or the crack. She be claiming that she cold black. Captain Whitney.
Damn.
Captain motherfucking Whitney is here for hire.
Ooh, okay. That smell like some good ass weed. But you know I smoke crack, baby.
Bye, Felicia.
Man, ain't nothing like California. Look at that, man. Straight up. Manchester and Normandy, California style. But you already know California have some type of special activities while I was recording
when you said
motherfucking
all this
earthquake.
afterwards.
Check it out.
Motherfucking earthquake. You see my shit shaking? Feel that shit? The fuck? Cali. Now I know I wasn't bugging the fuck out. Yeah, that was like a 3 point something and shit. It had to roll in the
I was a little bit more than that nigga.
I guess Captain Whitney up here trying to fuck with a nigga. Trying to shut up, nigga. Trying to send earthquakes to Cali.
Now remember, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I told you I'm gonna be a fucking fool with this shit. Light my blood up. Oh shit, we gonna get on Brother Polight. Yes, BYDism. Teach you how to motherfucking hustle. And that means gank your brother. For real. Let's get it. Brother, I need motherfucking money. Your money. Polight is at it again, scamming a brother. Oh, hey, check this.
Yeah, we about to straighten this shit out like Al Sharpton's bird, bitch.
Scamming this brother. Oh, you had him working like a goddamn slave. He was the butler, the Postmates, the driver and shit. What you got on my 40, homie? Oh, Brother Polight, you was doing a brother like that.
Polight was cold-blooded.
Damn! He's doing it for his master teacher. Oh, we're gonna learn about that master teacher shit, you know what I'm saying? Master teacher, chief, motherfuckers locked up. Brother Polight, master teacher, scammer. Shit. Did you hear this motherfucking testimonial? His father died. He got some insurance policy money. He was sleeping on the beach. God damn, he just wanted some of Brother Polight's information. Brothers and sisters, we are looking out instead of looking within. Looking within ourselves, right? All that we doing is making these motherfuckers live their best life off your black ass. God damn! He was doing a brother wrong. Get in the comment section. Tell me what you think about that shit. Now, YouTuber of the motherfucking week is gonna be no other than Langston. Long live Langston. 2029, baby. For real. And we say yeah. You know what? Some of us old head YouTube niggas, failed rappers, need to do a collabo album. And I tell you, it'll be way better than some of this new shit. Langston can spit, yo, for real. Got that hip-hop feel. Man, shit. Made me feel like I was back at home. Let's give Langston 10, 20, 29. Shouts out, go subscribe to his channel. Both of them motherfuckers, let's raise this shit the fuck up. Alright. Y'all wanna see Nature Boy looking sugary? I'm out!
That nigga sweeter than Cinnamon Toast Crunch, yo. Like, share, and subscribe. Go to the Wingman Chronicles. The link will be in the description box of my podcast. And y'all motherfuckers be safe. Oh, well, all right, y'all.
Hey, yo, Wax. See, them links is gonna be in the description box. So hit those links, all right? Don't forget the Wingman Chronicles podcast. Hit that link. Ass Kicker Supreme 13. The series, new episodes all the way. All right? Thank you for Like, share, and subscribing to my content. Y'all be safe. I hope you get some fucking money. Pay your bills. Go take care of your kids. Get your ass off YouTube. And enjoy your motherfucking self. Alright? Peace.
That's my